Every time you write new something, a constructor springs into action behind the scenes. But what exactly is happening? A constructor is a special method that initializes a new object. When you create an instance of a class, the constructor builds the object from scratch, preparing it for use. Think of it as the blueprint coming to life. The constructor transforms a class definition into a working, usable object in memory. Here's the magic. Constructors are called automatically. You don't invoke them like regular methods. The moment you use the new keyword, the language runtime finds the matching constructor and executes it. You write new user, and the user constructor runs immediately, no manual call needed. What happens inside? Constructors set up the object's initial state. They assign values to instance variables, initialize fields, and prepare everything the object needs. Constructors can accept parameters, letting you customize each object at creation time. Pass in a name and email, and the constructor stores them in the new objects fields. Two key characteristics distinguish constructors. First, they have no return type, not even void. Second, the constructor name must match the class name exactly. These rules make constructors instantly recognizable in any codebase. Remember, constructors initialize objects automatically when you use new, setting up their initial state and preparing them for action. Master this concept and you'll understand the foundation of object-oriented programming. Practice explaining it out loud, then tackle more OOP questions. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.